Hey guys, it's me, Hannah. Last week I did a time lapse of a hut that I built in the woods, and this week I'm going to sleep in it. So that's what I'm doing in the woods right now at sunset. I spent all day cleaning, so I got out here kind of late. And when I say fort, I don't mean like fortress. I mean like childhood fairy house fort. It's basically just like a square structure with pine branches through it. But anyway, I'm gonna sleep there tonight. Yeah, so I'm headed down there right now. For those of you who don't know, it's situated on my stepdad's land, so that's where I am right now. I'll show you my parents' kind of camp spot right now. I just walked up upon it. So their campsite is very established and professional, whereas mine, as somebody pointed out, which I already knew, but somebody decided to point it out on my last video, that mine does next to nothing as far as protection goes. It's literally just cute. It's a nice night and there's no mosquitoes yet, so I don't know. It's just for fun, but here we are. This is my little fort hut. This is where I'll be sleeping tonight on my pile of logs. So I'm going to kind of set up camp now. Sorry if it's dark. I'm shooting on my iPhone. I'm gonna set up and then I'll cook dinner. Okay, so I totally built a fire pit like a couple days ago. I dug it out and set up a fire, and it's just been too dry the last couple days to build a fire, so I'm just gonna use my camp stove. There's just been an advisory. There's been a fire advisory out, just with like fire hazards being really high, so I just decided to bring my camp stove and just cook on that, which is not quite as fun, but I'd rather not start a forest fire. So I finished dinner, I cleaned up, and I'm gonna get in bed because it's actually getting pretty chilly out, which I was worried about. Seems like a good excuse to go to bed early and just listen to the creek. So, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I think it's like maybe 8, so. Okay, so I finished up dinner and washed up the dishes, which there's actually been some bear sightings around here. Mav just actually saw a mom and 4 cubs. I mean, I'm not too concerned about, but as far as cleaning dishes go, I just grabbed some water from the stream, kept it in the pot, swished it around and like scrubbed the sides off, and then I dug a hole, always from camp, and just dumped the excess water into the hole and then buried it up, and so animals shouldn't be a problem tonight. As far as other food goes, I haven't needed to hang anything in a tree or anything because tomorrow is just oatmeal packets and coffee, so I don't think animals are going to be interested in that. I think I'm going to just call in a night and crawl in and cozy up, just listen to nature, just get an early night and wake up really early tomorrow for sure. At least tonight is not as cold as I have had before. Mav and I actually made a Kinsey out here, which is confused sometimes with an igloo, but we made a Kinsey out here in the woods over the winter. It was like -10 or something, and I was in this sleeping bag and I was pretty cold, but I think tonight should be fine. I think it's only going to get to like 30 degrees Fahrenheit, so yeah, I'm going to get in bed now. So. Before I go to bed, there were a couple things I wanted to address. I got a couple comments on my last video of me building this hut thing. First off, this was just for fun. This was not meant to be like a survival fort. This was entirely just to build something with my hands and have this nice little result. Is it going to protect me from mosquitoes or freezing cold winds or snow or rain? No, absolutely not. It's basically just to feel like I'm sleeping inside of something. Also, no live trees were harmed in the making of this. Everything was just fallen or dead trees. And somebody else said I built it too close to the stream where it's a potential flooding hazard. I don't really care if it lasts more than a week even, so it was really just for fun. We're all going stir crazy and I just needed something to do with my hands and wanted to get outside and learn how to chop things up and use a hatchet and tie things together and see what I could make. So yeah, I mean, you gotta start somewhere. Anyway, now that I've got all that off my chest, I think I'm gonna sleep. Good night, guys. It's 6 o'clock in the morning. My feet are frozen. Everything else is very warm. My feet always seem to get really cold when I sleep in a sleeping bag. I should have remembered that. And brought like a blanket to tuck down there, but that's okay. Slept very intermittently. I woke up like every couple of hours and would have to like roll over again and find a new comfortable position. But towards this morning, I think I slept longer and got more like comfortable. So I think I might sleep a little bit more and then get up and make some breakfast and some coffee and maybe try to warm up my toes a little bit. Oh, you can see the sun coming up. Okay, well, the call of nature is calling me. So I'm gonna get up. Hey guys, I just want to say thank you for watching this far. If you've made it this far, you've obviously watched the whole video and I really appreciate it. And to say thank you, I have been trying to do a little giveaway at the end of all my videos. I kind of fell off last week, but I'm back on it. And this week's giveaway is this little hat. And I hand stitched, trying my best on the side of it. And currently this giveaway is only open to people in the US just because shipping is a little funky. But if you're outside of the US and you would still like to enter and are willing to pay your own shipping, feel free. This giveaway will end next week on Wednesday at 8 p.m. Central Standard Time. I'm not sure what the exact date is, so I'll just put that here. To enter to win this hat, all you have to do is 1, follow me on Instagram, 2, subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video, and then 3, I want you to comment trying my best, which is what it says on the hat, and then your Instagram handle so that I have a way to contact you if you do win. So that is it. Good luck to you all. Anyway, I hope you guys have a good week and I will see you soon. Bye.